Hi, okay class, so we continue with the next example, example 1.9. So example 1.9, you may refer to your notes, page 21. So it's actually this example is the same example like the previous one, the phone bill. Okay, the phone bill yang telefon untuk 6 bulan tu. So you may refer that question. Okay, the data will be same data. So 35.34, 42.09, 39.43, 38.93, 43.39, and the last one is 49.26. Okay, we are using the same data. So the first thing that we want to calculate here is range. So range, the formula is given the largest value minus with the smallest one. So this is the largest value, 43.39, minus with the smallest value, 35.34, and the answer will be 13.92. So this is range. Simple. Okay, range simple. So now we go to variance. Okay, variance. So I just write VAR. Okay, VAR. So same thing like population or that like mean just now, we have two different symbol. Is it for population mean we will use the symbol mu, and the sample mean we will use a symbol as x bar. So for variance also we have two. Okay, population variance and sample variance, and these two the formula is different. Okay, kat sini formula dia berbeza, bukan setakat simbol tapi berbeza juga dari segi formula. Okay, is it formula sama juga? I think formula pun beza kan? Alright, so if you can refer back to your notes or to my slides, so the variance for sample is given by s square. Okay, kalau population is given by these symbols. Okay, right, this is s square, so the formula here is 1 over n minus 1 summation x square minus summation x square over n. So the small n here, and then you can see that this is 1 over n minus 1. Okay, it's different between this sample and the population. Kalau population is 1 over n only. Okay, so now you can see that this is x1 square, xi. So I is represent the number of data. Okay, the number of data, and these two is different. Okay, this one is x yang power 2, x will be power 2, and then you will sum. Maksudnya kat sini adalah hasil tambah x yang telah dikuasa duakan. Okay, maksudnya you kuasa duakan x, and then you tambah step satu semua tu. But this one means that you tambah dulu x, then the value that you get, then baru you power 2. Okay, this one and this one is two different things. So to make it easy, we will construct a table. Okay, so let's say this is your x. Okay, xi lah, xi. Okay, I think I didn't have enough space lah. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I just write. Alright, so 3, 5, 3, 4, 4, 2, 0, 9, 3, 9, 4, 3, 3, 8, 9, 3, 43, 3, 9, and the last one is 49.26. Alright, so this is your xi. Okay, so next is xi power 2. Okay, by referring to this formula, you need to find xi power 2. So xi power 2 means that you need to power 2 each of it. Maksudnya 35.4 power 2. Okay, so I just copy lah what the answer that you should get. Okay, okay, you may refer to your textbook. Okay, so I just copy it first, and then 42 17714. Okay, just fill up. Okay, and then the next column is, okay, the next column I think tak perlu kot. Okay, tak apa, we just ignore first. So alright, I didn't have enough space lah. Okay, okay, I do it again here. Okay, now, okay, just imagine that we I transform all this data into this table. Okay, x, and this is si, and this is the this is the si square. Okay, I will transform. So now this one must be the total of it. Okay, the total. So the total, usually we use a summation here lah. So this one, the symbol for summation. So for this x, the summation, the total is 248.44, and for x1 square, the total is 103.999932. Okay, right? Okay, done. So now back to the formula. Okay, fill up the formula first. So 1 over n minus 1. What is your n just now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your n here is 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. Okay, summation x1 square. Alright, so this is the usage of it. Maksudnya the summation, this is summation for x1, si. This one is summation for x1, si square. So you want xi square, which is this one. Okay, the summation of it. So 103.99.9932. Okay, next, summation x, and then close the bracket, power 2. Means that you need to get the value of summation of x, then power 2. So this is the value of summation of x here. So 24844 power 2. Okay, power 2. Right, and then divide by n. Okay, so then you calculate. Okay, you solve it. Okay, I just want to double check first. Alright, so if you are referring to the textbook, so the answer that you should get here is this one, 22.5842. Okay, so this is how we calculate what we call the variance. Okay, now the next one, can I just write down here? Is it okay? Okay, because I just want to fill up all this, full enough this paper. So standard deviation, kalau tadi for variance we use s square. So standard deviation means s. So apa kata, dalam kata lain maksudnya s square, surd s square ataupun square root s square. So standard deviation, nothing effort that you can put here. You just using the answer that you get from the variance just now, and then you square it, or power surd 22.5842. So the answer that you should get here is 4.7523. Okay, class? Right, so means that if your variance is wrong, you calculate wrongly, so it will affect your standard deviation. So make sure lah you calculate carefully. Summation ni kat sini careful, jangan silap. Yelah, even though I know maths is we can kita boleh buat silap tu, careless mistake kan. When we transform all this data into table, also it can be a careless mistake happen kan. Bila kita buat sesuatu tu daripada we just want to transform all this data into table, tapi kita dah tersilap tulis sebab dia lah nombor kan. Alright, I understand it, but please avoid lah. Cuba saya tahu, cuba yeah, they have no mark of course, because your answer will be, the answer is wrong, but maybe it will be give you the marks for your work. Okay, your working. Alright, okay, so class, so this is the example of how we calculate the standard deviation. So my advice here, the first step, you need to clarify first whether that question asks you or give you data in population or sample. Okay, bear in your mind these two. This one you need to check first whether the equation or the question given in term of population or sample, because it will affect the answer or the formula. For example, kalau mean tak ada masalah, mean formula dia sama, cuma simbol dia berlainan. Kalau untuk variance, formula dia dah berubah. Okay, let me check first, is it betul tak? Yes, formula dia pun dah berubah. Macam I cakap tadi, kalau population, just n, not n minus 1. Okay, class? Alright. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. that's all for the dispersion. Okay, measure of dispersion. So maybe okay, so I will stop here, so you may refer all these videos to, if you don't understand, yes, you can come, or you can just WhatsApp or DM me in Ulearn, so I will try to answer your question. Right? Okay, so don't forget to do the tutorial. Tutorial is, you can get it from the notes, you're in the PDF document, and review exercise, okay, page, if I'm not mistaken, page 26 until 31. Alright? Okay,